welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jasenia and I'm going to be showing you how to make shrimp and cheese egg rolls today, and they're super quick and easy. Great appetizer to make at home. So let's go ahead and begin. What you're going to need is cut up shrimp, and then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, and just 1/4 cup of onion, and then 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and your egg roll wraps. And I'm going to begin by seasoning my shrimp first. So I'm be adding 1/4 teaspoon of each ingredient. Okay guys, so I added my seasonings to my shrimp. You can certainly use more shrimp, but I'll be stuffing them with lots of cheese, so this will work for me. So I did set the pan to a medium to high heat, and then I'll be going ahead and cooking my shrimp along with 2 tablespoons of butter. Alrighty guys, so I'm ready to add in the butter to get that to simmer along with my shrimp and the onion and garlic. Adding the garlic, giving it a good mix. And the rest. You just want to cook this in, and then we'll move on to assembling our egg rolls. Alright, moving on to the next step, I'm going to just fill the very center with just a spoonful of shrimp, and then moving on. You will want to seal the edges with water so that the egg roll does not open, but basically you want to move the insides of the very corners here inside, just like this, and then loop this over, and then tightly go ahead and close. And this is when I'll grab a dab of water to seal that up, just like this. There you have it guys, I'm ready to fry my egg rolls. Ready guys, I set the pan here to medium high heat, so I'm just going to pop in my egg rolls. You only want to cook these until about a brown color. Go ahead and give them a flip. Start looking something like this. Something like this, go ahead and remove them into something with a paper towel on it to absorb the excess oil, just like this. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, quick and delicious appetizer shrimp egg rolls, and yours should turn out something like this. So you can either wrap them in your lettuce leaf and eat them that way, and top them with your favorite sauce of your choice, whether it be mayo sriracha, sweet and sour, hoisin, whatever you would like. But I'm just going to enjoy them just like this. I'm going to just dip it into my spicy mayo. They are really good. And that's all for today's video, guys. I thank you very much for being here today. Don't forget to subscribe to our growing family, and I'll see you in the next video as I will be posting frequently. Bye, guys.